In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam bulb on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located in the front headlight assembly. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take these lug bolts out. And before you take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel. Take that out, then grab the wheel and pull it off. Then we're going to take this nut off, use a 10mm socket. Take that off. Up top, you're going to take these screws out, use a 8mm socket. There's another one right here. And down here. Those out. There should be another screw right here. It's missing on this vehicle. You want to take that out. Same 8mm socket. Now underneath, we're going to take these screws out. Use a 8mm socket. And there might be another one right there. Take those out. Use a trim tool. There's a clip right there. Pop that out. And grab the inner fender liner. Pull it out, and we'll just pull it down. There is a control unit right here. Now we'll disconnect this connector. There's a tab on the side here. Just push on that tab, slide it off if you need to. Just use a pocket screwdriver, slide that off. Take the inner fender well out. We're going to take this cover off. There's a tab right here. It's a little bit easier if you use some needle nose pliers. Needle nose locking pliers, pull that down, and that tips up. And you should be able to take off the clips up top. And for the top tabs, I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just makes it easier to grab those. And pull that off. Now we're just going to reach in here, grab this with some needle nose pliers. Little tab right here. It's got the connector for the bulb. Pull that out of the way. And to access the bulb, it's way in there. Now there's a tab at the top of the bulb. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just release the tab. Just pop the bulb out. Just use some long needle nose pliers. Grab the bulb. Now to install the bulb, it's a little bit easier. You're going to take the connector and we'll connect the bulb to the connector. Make sure you do not touch the glass part of the bulb. It's a good idea to wear gloves just in case. Connect that in there. And we'll take this and just line this up. Lined up with the hole. Make sure the wires aren't in the way. That's lined up. And push it in place. And just lock it down. If you need to, use your pliers, needle nose pliers, help guide you in place. There we go. It should clip in place. There we go. That's good. And we'll take the cover, get this lined up. And lock it down. Take the inner fender liner. Get it close. Now take the connector, connect the tire pressure module, get that lined up, lock that in. There we go, that's locked in. Get this lined up. Now take the screws underneath. Get these started. And if you had another one right there, put that in and snug these down. Now put these screws in, snug those down. If you have a screw that goes there, you want to put that one in for that air duct. And put these screws in. Snug those down. And the nut that goes right there. Snug that down. And put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Put the lug stud in. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.